One thing you need to do to perform under pressure is to practice scared. So it's natural to want to sort of wait until you feel confident before you act. But actually, confidence isn't the starting point, it's the outcome of leaning into something that feels scary, where you would normally try and avoid it. So in the military, we trained really hard in peacetime so that we could fight easy, in a war zone. And that fear was very much part of the process. And I'm not just talking about the bombs and the bullets, it's all the normal stuff. Fear of rejection, fear of failure, fear of looking stupid, right? We all feel it, don't we? And it can really keep you stuck. But here's the solution. Practice scared. So the practice bit's important. It's the repetition that turns new behaviours into normalised automatic ones, which allows us to do these things under pressure. And the type of practice is really important. If you practice staying in your comfort zone, you're going to get really good at staying in your comfort zone, and that is going to keep you stuck and underreaching. That is not a life that I want for you. So practice scared. Give the presentation. Don't wait till it's perfect. Practice scared. Or own a mistake. Don't wait for someone to go first. Practice scared. Whatever it is that hard thing, do it before you feel ready. Practice scared. And every time you practice scared, you're training your brain. You're teaching it, oh, actually, I can do scary things and I can do them well. And so instead of waiting for the confidence to act, you're building it rep by rep. So here's how you grow into the person you deserve to be. You practice scared.